So when you optimize your profile the right way, especially when you're taking full advantage of this update to the LinkedIn notification bell feature, it will set you up for success. So if you're watching on YouTube, thank you so much for supporting me. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please like, subscribe, turn that notification bell on. If you're watching on LinkedIn, please don't forget to follow my LinkedIn profile, turn my LinkedIn notification bell on, and do connect with me. If you're watching on other socials, please say hi in the comments or let me know what your biggest takeaway was. And if you're listening to this on the podcast, please remember, whether you're on Spotify or Apple Podcasts, please subscribe to the podcast, leave us a rating and review, and let us know what you loved most. So everyone, enjoy the rest of your day. Love and gratitude. Take advantage of this update to the LinkedIn push notification feature within the LinkedIn notification bell, and I'll talk to you next time.